Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Zaman here again. Today doing the another review video is about Viper Cache. Viper Cache is going to be launched tomorrow, May 11, okay, at 11 EST. So basically you haven't noticed if websites takes more than 3 seconds to load, okay, then what will happen? You will, if takes long times to load, more than 3 seconds, you will lose 50% visitors. So as a result, either your website will lose ranking in Google, okay, there will be a lower conversion rate and higher advertisement cost, okay. So but don't worry, okay, in order to avoid these all things, there is a Viper Cache is here. So what's a Viper Cache? Okay, I'm doing the review, but you're thinking maybe what is this? Okay, so basically Viper Cache, it is a powerful software WordPress Cache plugin, okay, which is very simple, doesn't cause your server to log in. It makes your WordPress sites work up to 10 times faster in one click. Okay, so now if this sound is something interested to you and you wants to know more the about this software, then just stick with me because I have some custom made amazing bonuses which I have specially for you. I'll just show you my custom made bonuses, then I will explain you. I'll take you then to the sales page and show you, explain you more about this. Okay, so this is the my bonus page right now. Okay, and this world Viper Cache is a make your WordPress sites up to 10 times faster in one click with the cache that doesn't slow your server. Okay, so let's see bonuses first. So the bonus number one, which is for $428, mm, and it is accessing mobily all in one course. Okay, this is done by the John Armstrong. I think it released, launched last year. So this one is a very powerful software and training. I'll show you more about what it is. Okay, so but these my bonuses is for will get free for those are taking this Viper Cache via my link, which is just have below in the YouTube description. Okay, so what's a mobile? This is, as you can see here, this is the page, front page, how I make $347 every single day of the year without getting sucked in to yet another guru course that never makes $1. Okay, so this is mobile, and this is the introduction video here, and this is the um, income shoot. This is the mobile. This is everything you need is in your pocket. Basically, if you, it says the mobile, if you want to make $100 per day from your mobile phone, then this is the more, then mobile is the right training and software for you. Okay, so inside this it has all explained the strategies, how to use it, all the modules in the training. Okay, so basically with the mobile you can work anywhere. Okay, if you have your mobile phone is in your pocket, then wherever you're going, either you're waiting for somebody, either you're waiting in the park going, so wherever you are, you can just take out your mobile phone and you can just start work on there. Okay, so this much powerful mobile is. And the bonus number two, this is the two awesome traffic method to use with Viper Cache. So in this one, this is a YouTube tutorial done by John Armstrong, where he explained his basic two powerful traffic method which he used, which is giving him an excellent higher conversion, high traffic, and good business. Okay, so basically he explained what is that, what are the two traffic and how he used, and what are the main strategies. Okay, and the bonus number three, it is 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. And this is also another tutorial where there is a it is, I think it's done by the Ferdi, where he explained the instant inspiration for you to work as a affiliate marketer. Bonus number four, access Jonas proven $1 million in 365 days blueprint. Okay, so this is this is basically the journal where he just talks about his affiliate marketing blueprint to success, roadmap and milestone. Okay, and then the next one, next bonus, it is all vendor bonuses. Okay, so again, if you like these bonuses, or if you have like the websites which is very slow, is not have not having a good speed, and your website is not ranking in the Google, so then this Viper Cache, the WordPress, this is the right option for you. Okay, so I and plus, whoever will pick this by my link, which I have given below in the YouTube description, I will give them this free bonuses. Okay, this is a free, amazing bonuses. So now let's talk about what it this Viper Cache is going to be launched tomorrow. And this page, it will come down on May 14. Okay, so again, if you decided, or if you like it, okay, then you can just click here, then this page will take you to the sales page, and where you can just get access to your purchase. Okay, so basically this is super easy to use cache that auto detect the most visited pages and preload these rather than preloading all page to save bandwidth. Okay, it also detect major changes automatically, flushing all cached pages. So this is the prices. Front end prices for this is 17 to $97, in which you will get access the powerful Viper Cache software and training module. OTO 1, which is for WordPress profiler plus agency license, which is again 17 to $97. Upsell 2 WordPress Toolkit Pro plugin bundle for $97. Upsell 3 site health check and plugin setup, which is for $75. Okay. So here are some other key benefits which you may be interested in getting. It doesn't play God with your themes and plugin, yet still achieve highest performance score. It is stupidly simple to use with fewer settings. Okay, and it reduces the potential for hacking. It is very smart clearing and rebuilding technology. It built using the fastest cache technology, and the main thing is you have a money back guarantee. Okay, so before I want to show you this quick demo video, but before that I want to take you to the sales page. Okay, so this is the sales page here. So as WordPress Toolkit Viper Caches, make your WordPress sites up to 10 times faster in 30 seconds with cache that beats all competitors. Okay, so what it does, it speed up your WordPress sites before you get hit by Google speed slap. Again, if your websites is taking long time to open, then the usually the visitors, they will not wait, they will just go to the another sites. Okay, if somebody wants to buy something and your site is very slow, then they will not wait. Okay, okay, if you want to increase your business, if you want to get more lead, if you want to get more traffic, then it is very important that your website should be opening like this in a snap. Okay, if your site is slow, then this is the right option for you. Okay, so again, if this is the link which you will click, then it will take you to the if you can access your purchase. So again, there are so lots of information in the sales page. I'm not going to read all thing, so just go through and read it, and if you decided okay you want to get it, then you can just access. So okay, here this at Viper Cache was 77% faster than the competition. Okay, so again here, go through with all these things. I'll just using cache is essential for every WordPress website, right? I just want you to scroll down. Okay. So boost sale conversion and reduce your advertisement spend. So we built a cache that rapid, simple without the headache. Viper cache, full feature cache that's stupidly simple, doesn't cause server lag. Make your WordPress sites 10 times faster in one click. Okay, so again, some information about WordPress, some testimonial, and here, personal license, use your own sites, get it before we go full price. This price rise will be permanent. Is work on WordPress 5 point, okay, full tutorial video, instant download, 1 year support, 25 sites, one payment, 1 year block list update, special offer from 47 to 37 now. Okay, and again there's some question answers here, and there is a 100% secure checkout and money back guarantee. Okay, and now I want to show you the demo video. So as you have seen this the demo video, whereas so again guys, if your website is very slow and you want something to get faster, then this is the right tool for you. Okay, so again, that was my review video about the Viper Cache. Okay, so again, my bonuses is I have a custom made bonuses is available, is free, is for those are picking this Viper Cache through my link which I've given below in the YouTube description. Okay, so again, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my review video, and if you have any question, please leave your question below in the comment section. I will be get back to you. Okay, and again, thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for my channel support. And that's it. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.